In my practice, the two most important things I tell my patients, which even Sai Baba says, is Sabr and Shraddha. That is, you must have patience and you must have total faith in your doctor. This couple that was from Morocco, and we have a practice in the Gurgaon in the north, and came out from the internet, and they were married for many years, I think 17 years or so, and they had undergone 9 IVF cycles abroad and failed already. Few cycles in UK, Sweden, Denmark, France. And then out of the blue they came to me. He had azoospermia, that is there was no sperm in his semen sample. So I did the pickup of his wife. There were 5 eggs. They were not enough because we had to do the biopsy to take the sperm out. And he had already done 4-5 biopsies on his testes. Imagine how much motivated he was. So I said that these eggs are too less for doing another biopsy. So I froze those eggs. Then they went back. Imagine going back. Then they came back again to India. That time I did again an IVF, and that time we got 5-6 more eggs. So those frozen eggs that I had frozen and these fresh eggs, we took them out. And at that point in time, I did the 6th or 7th biopsy. One of my colleagues, who is one of the best in the line, he had flown down from Mumbai, and he did the biopsy by using a micro TISA technique. And then we got the sperm. We injected those sperm and created 7 or 8 embryos. I don't remember exactly how many. And then again they went back. Again they came back for the frozen embryo transfer. Just imagine the persistence of that patient. And I transferred those embryos and she became pregnant. However, as bad luck would have it, at around 3 months she had a miscarriage. It was traumatic. Again they went back to France because they were from Morocco but they had settled in France. Again they came back for the last 4 frozen embryos, and those embryos we put back and she had the child. I think that this is the most challenging patient, and the gratifying thing what I feel in this case was that they didn't know me from Adam. They just had known me on the internet. They had total faith in me. They surrendered to me, not as a doctor, but as a concept, as a doctor. A lot of people, they have a lot of faith in the doctors, and that faith is very important. For me also, it's a lot of responsibility, because for me that faith is so much that I can't even think of harming that faith, and that faith drove them to me, and they got that ultimate gift from the gods, and that was the gift of a child. As of today, they are happily having that child, and they are very happy with their life, and I am also happy with the idea that I gave them, one of the best things that they deserve.